Sunday Presidential Gold Cup Racing Day here at the Philippine Jockey Club. So we have 12 races for this Sunday, December 14, 2025. Let's start. So race 1, start of the Pick 5 event. Pagcor Juvenile Hopeful Stakes Race, 1,200 meters. Ang choice ko dito is entry number 3, Lady Outlaw. And the second choice, number 2, Smooth Operator. Good luck po. Race number 2. First choice, Joe Dropping. Second choice, Far Field for the Congressman Lolita Karen T. Javier Juvenile Phillies Championship. Good luck. Race number 3, carry over winner take all. Start of the first winner take all for today. Ang choice ko dito is baka magkaroon ng speed battle kasi si Worshipful Master and he's so fine. And this is 1650 meters. So ang napipili ko ay tatlo. Si first choice ko is Circus Crowd. Second choice, the couple entries, Flaming June, Open Dealing. Third choice, Parade King. Good luck. Race number 4, Ambassador Antonio M. Lagdameo Championship Cup. Ang first choice ko dito, galing sa panalo, si Isabel. Second choice ko is number 2, Machine 2. For our main event for this day, the Presidential Gold Cup. Ang first choice ko dito is galing sa panalo sa Marho Breeders' Cup is entry number 3, Bea Bell. Ang tingin ko isa sa malakas contender ay si Don Julio. Si Jungkook nagbabalik. Third choice ko. Good luck. Race number 6, start na sa ating second winner take all. Philtobo Sierra Farms and Studs Inc. Trophy Race. Magandang karera, anybody's race. But my first choice is entry number 8, Legitify. Second choice, number 6, Resonant. Third choice, number 5, ang nagbabalik na si Vino Barbarino. And Perfect Delight for my fourth choice. Good luck. And race number 7, another anybody's race. Philtobo Rancho Santa Rosa Trophy Race. Lahat tayo for the race, trophy race. So, anybody's race for today. Entry number 7, my first choice, Freedom Lover. Sama lang ng salida nung nakaraan, medyo naipit siya. So, hindi siya nakabandera. And now, si El Supremo, si Jagusin ang sasakay. Second choice, number 4, couple entries, Asintado, Official Seal. Third choice ko na din si Speed Dancer, number 3. Good luck. Race number 8, start ng ito ang ating final Pick 5 event for today. Ang first choice ko ay maganda ang panalo nito. Number 4, Katral. Ang second choice ko is number 5, The Keys. Third choice, Border Force. Good luck. Race number 9, paratingan ng winner take all for full gate. I think anybody's race, medyo ito yung isa sa mga mababang grupo. Ito yung magandang karera na kahit sino pwede manalo. Ang first choice ko dito is entry number 2, Die Will Be Done. Second choice, ang isang speedster na si Marangal, entry number 9. Third choice, Number 4, Go Getting. And my fourth choice is Super Hawk. Pero anybody's race to. Good luck. Race number 10. Philtobo Philippine Jockey Club Magic Millions Trophy Race. Ang first choice ko dito ay si entry number 5, Calends. And second choice, number 6, Fields Amor. Good luck. Race number 11, PCSO 3-year-old Championship Cup. Ang tingin ko, solo ko na si Midnight Bell. Good luck. Last and final race for this Sunday racing, race number 12. Anybody's race pa rin sa akin. But my first choice is entry number 4, Summer Rule. Second choice, Gentleman Bell. Third choice, Guerrero Warrior. Pwede nyo na rin isama si Super Dancer, Pandejado, and Giselle's Touch. Kung may puhunan, pwede na kayo mag-all dito sa last race. Good luck.